Morning, guys. We are trying to get things ready to go so we can head to St. Louis to load, and then we got to go to Kansas again. Had a busy weekend. Well, show you, kind of getting the race car ready to go. Memorial Day weekend, you know, everybody's always got stuff going on, and always something going on, you know. Found that somebody that I didn't realize was going to turn into a hero passed away this weekend. That was Phil Robertson. The reason why I say I didn't know he was going to turn into a hero is the fact that, you know, when I was young and the whole Duck Dynasty thing started, which is not why I grew a beard. I just couldn't grow a beard whenever it all started. But when it all started, it was a funny show for me to watch. But as I got older and I started my walk in faith again, I started looking more and more into his, what he was teaching. I realized, this guy is a man of God. And I had a lot of respect. I would have loved to get to meet the guy in person, just to see, to talk to him one-on-one, to hear what he has to say from his mouth, because he had a unique way of putting the gospel, and, this kind of became like a, mentor, I guess you could say, for my walk in faith again. I guess you could say, after he started getting into doing YouTube videos, or I guess his boys were doing YouTube stuff, but as he started getting out more and more on social media, me and him think alike. Drank our coffee black. He didn't sugarcoat nothing. And I think that was probably the best character trait that he probably had. Last night I was watching a tribute video that his boys put out, and then there's clips of Phil Robertson during their podcast, Unashamed, and at the end he said, when I die, don't be sad, but celebrate. I kind of paraphrased it, but he changed his life, looking forward to going to heaven, and he finally made it. So, but we got to get going. Check in here. You guys are in too chipper of a mood this morning. Scary. Walked almost all the way up to the shipping office. Forgot my papers. back here to do another 30-minute break. Thank God for e-logs. That would be like 10 minutes over. I gotta do a 30-minute break because that'd be 10 minutes illegal. Lieutenant Dan got ice cream. Well, there's somebody out here flaunting their money. Am I weird since I'll eat vanilla ice cream? I'll drink root beer. But I really don't care for a root beer float. I went ahead and got some onion rings anyway. We can finally go. We got 3 hours, 20 minutes of drive time left to do, or that we can do. We got 2 hours and 59 minutes left on the Googles. Let's go. Must think he's going to get around the oversize. It's taking up a lane and a quarter. Oh, I must realize that ain't going to happen. We are posted back up here again. I like that little building. Just set the crane up on the hill because I guess it's too muddy to go down the hill. Meatloaf in the microwave go round and round, round and round, round and round. And meatloaf in the microwave go round and round. All till the timer goes beep, 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 beep. We'll catch you all on tomorrow's episode of Lad's Trucking Diaries. Y'all stay safe out there. God bless you, and we'll catch you later.